Chapter 23: Infectious Diseases and How to Prevent Them. Infectious diseases are illnesses that spread from one person to another through air, water, food, or contact. We can prevent them by maintaining cleanliness, getting vaccinated, and following healthy habits. Hello, kids. Today we are going to talk about infectious diseases. Do you know what infectious diseases are? Infectious diseases are those that spread from one person to another. These are caused by germs such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. Examples of infectious diseases are influenza, cold, chickenpox, typhoid, cholera, ringworm, scabies, tuberculosis, and swine flu. How infectious diseases spread. Now, children, let's understand how these diseases spread. Through air. Germs spread when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or spits openly. Through water. Contaminated water can carry germs of diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, and diarrhea. Through food. Food poisoning occurs when contaminated or improperly handled food is consumed. Through insects. Mosquitoes, malaria, fleas, and flies can spread diseases by carrying germs. Through direct contact. Diseases like ringworm and scabies spread through skin contact or sharing clothes. What is an epidemic? When many people in the same place fall sick at the same time from the same disease, it is called an epidemic. This can happen due to polluted water, infected air, mosquito breeding. We must be alert during such times. Preventive measures for infectious diseases. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are steps everyone must follow. Keep yourself and your home clean. Wash your hands regularly with soap. Cover your mouth while coughing or sneezing. Do not share personal items like towels or bottles. Drink only clean or boiled water. Keep food covered. Destroy mosquito breeding grounds. Do not allow water to collect in open areas. Importance of vaccination. Vaccines protect our body from harmful germs. Vaccination is done as per schedule to protect against tuberculosis, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio. Every child must complete their vaccination doses on time. Role of public health services. Our government helps us through health centers, hospitals, and mobile dispensaries. They provide vaccinations, awareness programs, treatment for infectious diseases. We must cooperate with public health officials. Community responsibility and laws. It is everyone's duty to keep surroundings clean, avoid spitting in public places, dispose of garbage properly, report outbreaks to health authorities. There are also laws to stop spitting in public and to ensure public cleanliness. What we have learned today. Infectious diseases spread through air, water, food, insects, and contact. Cleanliness and hygiene prevent diseases. Vaccination protects us from dangerous diseases. Public health services help us stay healthy. We all have a responsibility to keep our environment clean.